I know many of you love Nike, but is the stock a buy at this level? I'm going to go over the chart and show you the RSI and the MACD in just a moment. But first to the numbers. It ended the day at $135.68, up nearly 3%. The 52-week low, $125. The 52-week high, $179. Volume much higher than normal with 7.7 million shares traded. We typically see 6.7 million shares traded, and you need volume in order for a stock to run. The market cap, $214 billion, and Nike pays a dividend yield of 0.92%. Taking a look at the performance for the week, it is down nearly 1%. For the month, down 8%, but for the year, it is up 1%. Taking a look at the technicals, it's considered a sell, and under the analyst rating, it is considered a buy. On tipranks.com, the average analyst forecast is $183.81. If you were to buy the stock at $136 and it goes to this level, that would be a return of 35%. Now, had you bought this stock at this level and you wrote it up, this is the COVID crash, and you wrote it up to this level, that would be a return of, let's just take it right there. That is a return of 124%. If you had let it ride and you took it to this level, that would have been a return of 166%. Now, taking a look at the chart, I also see a pattern here, an M shape. If you play patterns, you'll know what I'm talking about. The stock went up and down, and then back up and then down again, and it broke down to where we are right now. So hopefully this will start to go this way and then hit our Tip Ranks average analyst forecast of $183. Wouldn't that be fantastic? Now I'm going to show you the RSI. Let me move this out of the way. It is heading toward 35. It's still selling off, and the MACD is still selling off as well. It has not crossed over to the upside. We need both of these to go up as well to show us that there is a true sign of a reversal. Now, looking back in time, had you purchased this stock at this level when the RSI was about 27, let's just say right there is the 30 mark. So going back up, that would have been at $65. So that was during the COVID crash. And also notice something here. When a stock hits resistance, which is this level right here, it tends to sell off. People are taking their profits and they're running. And I would too. Right here, it hit again a level of resistance and it started to fall down. It hit resistance here and it started to fall down to where we are today. This is 2 standard deviations, this is 3 standard deviations, and this is 4 standard deviations. This is money, more money, and this is the jackpot. It hit this level and it started to sell off. Will this stock do this all over again? Hopefully. Now let me show you what this looks like on the daily time frame. The RSI is shooting up. It's past 35 on its way to 40. So that is why it's so important for you to check out the different time frames, because it gives you different buy and sell signals. The MACD right here has not crossed over to the upside just yet as well right here. Let me get out of that. That looks like a hot mess right now. And let me show you, let me erase this and show you a gap that I see. Oops. Let me get rid of that. And that. There we go. Right here is a gap from about 153 to about 156. And it would be a gap to the upside. So if it goes up, and then if this gets to where Tip Ranks says it's going to go, that gap would fill to the upside. Now there was a gap to the downside also, but That's already been filled to the downside as we make our way back up to the upside. Now, let me show you another stock that did very well today is Lockheed Martin. Check this out. It hit the forecast of $450, something that I talked about in the past. And we filled that right here. And the next level, at 450, we filled that. Now the next one is at 521. If you were to buy the stock at $451 and it goes to, let me move this up. If it goes to 521, the return would be 15%. But this stock did fantastic when I pointed it out a couple of months ago. I just wanted to show that to you and say congratulations. If you've been in this stock way down here at support at about $326 is when I first pointed that stock out. Now here is a look at how the day ended. If there is a stock that you would like me to check out, please comment below, and thank you so much for watching.